Hello everyone, in today's lesson we are going to cover the topic probabilities, preparing Venn diagrams with probabilities and finding also probabilities. We have two events, the A and then B. The probability of the event A is 0.25. The probability of the intersection between the A bar and then B is 0.3, and the probability of the intersection between the two events A and B is 0.15. The A bar represents the opposite of the event A. This is not the A. Here in this exercise, we have been asked to draw a Venn diagram to represent the above probabilities. Since I have two events, I need to draw two circles with an intersection. The first circle represents the event A and the second circle represents the event B. I also need to draw a rectangle which represents the universal set. We always start from the intersection of the two events, and the probability of the intersection between the A and the B is 0.15. So we need to include this value in the middle. We also know that the probability of the event A as a total is 0.25. To find the probability of the event only the A, we subtract from 0.25 the 0.15, and this gives us a value of 0.10, which is included inside the circle A only. Since the probability of the intersection between the event not A and the event B is 0.3, this means that the probability of the event B only is 0.3. So we put the probability 0.3 into the circle B only. Then, as a final step, we check whether the total of these probabilities add up to 1. And the difference includes the probability of neither of the two events, A and B, that goes out of the circles. So subtracting the 3 decimals from 1, we can find this probability. So the probability of neither of the events happening is 0.45 that goes out of the two circles. Second part of this exercise is to find the probabilities shown. The probability of the intersection between the event not B and the A, and this is the 0.10 because the event not B includes all the numbers out of the circle B. So this is 0.10. The probability of the event B is the sum of the 0.3 plus 0.15. So this is 0.3 plus 0.15 give us 0.45. We need to find the conditional probability. Given that the event B happened, what is the probability of the event A? In this case, we consider the total set, then B, and then we, given the B happened, what is the probability to have A? So from the numbers in the Venn diagram, we consider only the B. So this is 0.15 divided by 0.45. This is 1/3. And lastly, we need to find the probability, the conditional probability, given the event A happen, what is the probability of them B? Now we consider only the circle A, and the total numbers inside the circle A is 0.10 plus 0.15. This is 0.25 as a denominator, and the probability of the B is 0.15, is the intersection. So 0.15 divided by 0.25 give us the value of this conditional probability, 3/5. And this is the lesson for today. If you like the lesson, don't forget to subscribe to see more lessons like this one. Thank you for watching.